and I used to take three subjects. So for the first semester, I take information system for managers. Then I take introduction to business analytics in the second semester. And in the second semester itself, I also used to teach business research methodology, BRM, research methods also. Okay, and for the specialization courses, when you will be opting for IT or the analytics subjects in the third semester, then I teach introduction to big data analytics. Okay, so that is there. So this is all about me. So whenever, whichever, and for this obviously semester, I'll be teaching you all information system for managers. So I highly recommended students that you all be there in the class on time, and please rename yourselves once you enter. The format has already been given to you. That is enrollment number underscore your name. So actually it is very convenient for us to manage your attendance. So please do that if those students who have joined without this format. So please do it. So please class, we will make this class very much interactive so that you all can understand the things properly and there is no issues in understanding of the things. Generally, students have this kind of a feeling that means we don't have an IT background and why IT subjects and why these types of hands-on sessions are taking place. We would be able to do it or not. So please, students, I will just suggest you that this is just a myth, okay? Because you work hard, you understand the things. Nothing rocket science is there. We don't teach you hardcore coding. It's only the application of different softwares which we are teaching to you all, which will be very useful for you all to apply in your organization when you go out for your job, especially in your summer internship also. Many students have found Excel and MS Access and all these things, especially SPSS, in doing the formatting of your data and all, in analyzing the data and all. So that has become very important. So please, this is just a myth. You are from whichever background, you are arts graduate, you are a commerce graduate, hardly matters. We will just take the baby steps and we will just let you know and take you through all from the basic. We will just move on to the advanced levels. Okay. So what the subject is all about, what we are going to teach. So all those things which I will just explain it to you through the session plan first. Then I will move on to our first topic. Okay, class. ठीक है, चलो चलते हैं हम लोग. Just see what is our session plan first. आप लोग भी देख लो कि what you are going to study in information system for managers. So can you see this Excel sheet, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is updated on your QuickForce page also, so you all can have a look over there also. And in any ways, any confusion is there, please ask me right now. यहीं पे पूछ लो, कोई एकदम ये सोचना नहीं कि मैम से पूछना नहीं पूछना, लेकिन आपको सब कुछ अभी जहाँ जैसे डाउट लगता है, just stop me over there and then I can resolve your queries. So we will be starting with your information system concepts, which will be a bit theoretical kind of the topics, but I will try to connect it with the live examples, students. So actually we'll get to know and understand the things that actually this is happening around you. So you should understand the things. So first we will be discussing the information system concepts of data, information, classification of information system. Okay, so as per their levels and their implementation, we will just be classifying it, and functionality also. Then the attributes of the information quality, and obviously what kind of IT infrastructure is required, okay, for implementation or the smooth running of any system in the organization. Okay, different types of computer networks which are required. Okay, so that also we will be doing. Then different types of information system by organizational levels. Then obviously this will be doing all TPS, MIS, EIS, PSS, expert system, and all we'll be doing later on. Okay, then these are the basic theoretical part which we'll be doing. Then we have the information system development concepts, and how we develop an information system. Okay, what are the procedures which are involved in the development of the information system? So for that we have the models which will be studying is your SDLC, waterfall model, prototype model. There are different models which we'll be doing in the coming classes. So these are all the theoretical part which we'll be doing. Then obviously we have ERP, supply chain management. These are all the topics we will be covering up before the mid-semester examination. Okay, CRM applications, and then we will introduce some of the basic concepts of Excel before your mid-semester examination. Very basic. In fact, many some of the things we have already done in your prep sessions also. But again, we will recapitulate it and we will go and do some of the hands-on exercises in the class so that you can have a better feel over it. Then you will be having your mid-semester examination, most probably in the month of, in 99% I'm telling you, first week of August. ठीक है, mid-semester आपकी examination. Got it, students? So mid-semester examination आपका होगा 1 week चलेगा, and then we will start with the post-mid courses. So in that we have again we will start with Excel only. So now post-mid we will have most of the things hands-on sessions we'll be having. Means theory हम जितना ज़्यादा हो सकता है हम cover up कर लेंगे पहले, and we will try to if there is problem in completing or देखते कैसा जाता है, so we will just wipe it off some of the mid semester examination, or we will just postpone it and just can we transfer it up for the post mid examination, post mid semester also. So we will just see, but ऐसा हो जाता है, it's not nothing great in it. Then इसमें भी हम Excel जैसे पहले तो hands on करते हैं, and then now we will move little bit extra and we will just look up करेंगे हम सारे the types of VLOOKUPs and the HLOOKUPs, all the types of charts we will be doing, and the basic logical formula. Mathematical तो almost हमने किया, फिर भी हम करेंगे दोबारा से, and then we will be having if, nested if, sum if, averages, ये सब सारे हम condition based logics हम लगाएंगे. So these are all the things which we will be doing post mid. Then we have the database management concepts, in which again एक class हम explain करेंगे your different types of keys and the concepts of the database management system, and then we will be having again, but this you need to do on your pen and paper, ठीक है, और नहीं तो हम सिखाएंगे भी आपको कैसे कर सकते हो. So ER modeling technique, data flow diagram, normalization again you need to solve. We will be giving it to the table, how we will let you know how to denormalize the table, how to reduce the table redundancy. So ये सब सारा हमारा hands on session चलेगा. Okay. So up to 3 NF we will be doing. Again, then we have information system security. Again, मतलब है थोड़ा बहुत ही theory. Again, then in the current trends, I generally give it to my students. Those they form some groups and they only present this thing. देखते हैं कैसे चलता है. But because these are the latest trends and the technologies which are there in the business and in the market in today's scenario, and we will see if some more things that can be added just for our knowledge and the advancement of the technologies which have taken place over the years. So we will be just doing it. So this is just about the concept building, that what are the technologies which have come. So मैं देखती हूँ time रहा तो then I will assign you this topic. Otherwise I will be just teaching you this, because then again we have to do the hands-on session on MS Access. ठीक है, आप लोगों के सबके पास Microsoft Office का पैकेज होगा? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. So Excel is one, and then the other thing which you will be doing is your MS Access. Okay, class, this is really very interesting and easy to use. It's just that you need to understand the things, how to just create the tables, how to create your own databases, how you can create small forms, okay, and you can just display and you can send it to across anyone, and automatically it will be updated in your database. So you will be having, हम इसमें query भी सिखाएंगे कि if there is some data from your data set, how you can extract certain informations. So we'll be writing you how to write the queries also, and then how to finally create the reports, creating forms, and we will be giving you some assignment for the actual application development. ठीक है, तो इसका हम देखते हैं उस टाइप पे कैसे होता है, because generally when we were having the physical classes, तो students बनाते थे and they used to present it, small software kind of a thing, and they used to present in the class. But अब देखते हैं last year भी ऐसे ही हुआ था. So in that case they have developed some small applications and they have presented in the class. लेकिन सबका नहीं हो पाया था because we were having very less time in that. So this is the way which will we try to move. If we can finish off with the other topics smoothly, then obviously we will start with the MS Access. So we will think after mid-semester examination. So this is that. So please don't be scared. ये सब सारे बहुत easy topics हैं and you will be easily doing it. Now coming to your evaluation. So we generally have 6 types of CC exams, in fact, you say, or the test you can say. So for before the mid-semester examination, we'll be having 2 quizzes, okay, of 100 marks each, but the weightage of that exam test will be 10. Since you'll be appearing for 100 marks test, maybe it can be a test quiz. I will tell you, एक हफ्ते पहले ही मैं आपको बता दूंगी कि next week test होने वाली है. Or any type of discussion or presentation I will be assigning, or assignment also I can give, or I can merge 2 of the things also, so that I will let you know. And then 50 marks se kuch aur hua or 50 marks kuch aur, and then I will be giving you the marks accordingly. So, but the weightage of that will be 10 marks. And time to time I will update your marks also, so that you can see and you can just cross check that whatever you have done has been is proper or not. Maybe because maybe we can also do mistakes. But before uploading your marks to your SIS, I will make it sure that you all can see your marks. Same then, mid semester examination that will be there in your August. You will be having a 50 marks examination, okay, students, and the weightage for that will be 20. Got it? So again, before uploading, I will show you your marks and the paper to all of you, so that you can just have a look and then we can proceed on. Then post mid again, same manner, 100 marks test will be given, will be conducted. And test means doesn't mean that it will be a proper test. Maybe it can have proper test will be there also, but the thing is that we can give you certain assignments also, and then जैसे for example MS Access का projects हैं, normalization के project query solving के लिए हम दे सकते हैं, so that we can give you some projects on Excel also. So that ways we will be combining different things and then we will be making it to 100. Got it? Then and 1 or 2 quizzes you expect that hoga, so that you can also have a feel of the mid-semester examination, that how you would attempt any quiz or test. And then obviously your final examination will be happening in the first week of October. Almost हो जाता है उस time तक. First week of October में 100 marks का test होगा. You will get a prep leave for your maybe 4-5 days आपको prep leave मिलता है for study, and then that the weightage for that examination is 40. Any confusion, students? Very simple.
Yes, ma'am.
Any कोई doubt होता है? Then please ask. It's there on your. So this is the way we just do your entire thing. The textbook for yours, this subject is Information System for Managers. That is your James O'Brien की book है, ठीक है? That will be reaching to you most probably by the end of June. आप सबको मिल जाएगा. And I request all the students that please read. I will be giving you the page numbers of the different topics and all, so that you can read directly from there also, because that book is very exhaustive. So we pick certain topics from it and then we teach you, because we have so many sections. So we have kept that book as the main master book from where we all teach, okay? So that there should be uniformity amongst all the sections and the topic coverage. So that is that, but we all keep referring to the book, some other books also, but you all read that book also only. That's a very very good book. आपको वैसे भी अगर आपको कुछ टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में, लेटेस्ट सब्जेक्ट के बारे में जानना है, and you can very much relate it with the Indian scenarios, case studies also. Okay, students. So please, whenever it will reach to you, and after covering some of the topics, when it will be reaching you, I will just tell you the page numbers and the chapters, and you can easily go and read it from there also. So it's really, and there are some other reading materials on your quick post page also, and I will be updating the slides which I am teaching, and then we will just continue. Yes, Dharmeet?
Ma'am, there is some problem with your voice. Can you just make sure your network
Is it
connection
lagging?
is? Yes, ma'am, little bit
Acha,
lagging.
okay, I'll just switch off my video. Maybe some connection issue. The weather is
Yeah.
not good over here actually.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, Is it fine now?
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me. Huh. So we will start with your topic. First topic, that is your information system for concepts. Okay, class. Can you see the slide?
No,
No,
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
no, ma'am.
Still loading. The weather is not good over here.
Yes, ma'am. Now it's ready.
Okay, okay. So that is why this problem is there. Okay. So this is the information system in business. So 2-3 questions I just want to ask you all students. ठीक है, आप लोगों से मैं पूछना चाहती हूँ. I'll just stop sharing and then we will start this. That we will just build some base of it. Now you all tell me what all in systems or applications or softwares which you all are using right now.
MS Office.
MS Excel.
Excel. अभी आप use कर रहे हैं MS Excel?
No. QuickForce.
अभी क्या use कर रहे हो आप?
QuickForce.
Great, Shivam. QuickForce is what? It is a software, it's a learning management system. System can be divided into application, softwares, okay, different types of packages which you install in your system, in your devices, in your mobile phones also. Okay, in your mobile phones also. So which facilitates you in doing different types of information data processing and then information sharing and all that. For example, if you need to share information right now to your class, obviously आप लोगों का भी group form हो ही गया होगा, yes, section Q का.
Yes.
In that case, how you will disseminate your or distribute any information which I tell you कि चलो कल ये करना है आपको class में. Then how you will do
WhatsApp.
it?
Via
WhatsApp.
So what is that? WhatsApp. It's an application.
App.
It's an application. So also it's kind of information system. So information system means the complete which facilitates you in doing any particular task in a structured manner. समझ रहे मेरी बात को? जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप व्हाट्सएप में आपका टेक्निक चेंज होता है, नेवर इट चेंज, इट रिमेन्स द सेम. आप अपने किसी भी फ्रेंड को मैसेज डालते हो, इट नेवर चेंज बिकॉज इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ अ सिस्टम. That this is the way how you chat. This is the way when you click there, your message will be just go from your place to some other place. Okay, this is the way you attach something to it. This is the way you just forward it to somebody. This is the way how you clear all the past data in your chat boxes. So that is a complete system which has been formed, and then you just proceed. Now, for example, आप लोग जैसे अभी right now I am just telling you, आप लोग सब क्या use कर रहे हो for attending this session?
Ma'am, Zoom.
Zoom.
Laptop.
Zoom.
लैपटॉप ऑब्वियसली लैपटॉप यूज कर रहे हैं, बट लैपटॉप इज द डिवाइस. अभी मैं लैपटॉप पे भी आऊंगी, डिवाइस पे भी आऊंगी. देन अभी यू ऑल आर यूजिंग Zoom फॉर इंटरैक्शन. ओके, वी ऑल आर सिटिंग इन द डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ दिस कंट्री. ओके, डिफरेंट लोकेशंस. ऐसा हो रहा है कि सिर्फ मुंबई वालों, कितने मुंबई वाले यहाँ पे क्लास में होंगे? कुछ ना कुछ तो होंगे. So there can be कि हाँ है आराम से 3-4 बच्चे, very many students. So there are so many students who are Mumbai. So you all are hearing me nicely और throughout the country जहाँ जो बैठे हैं सबको अच्छे से सुनाई पड़ रही है मेरी आवाज. All are listening to me equally. कोई फर्क नहीं. This is the way how your system works in the dissemination of your information. आपकी network, आपकी systems, आपकी softwares, आपकी application. Okay, it's made in such a way. अभी हो सकता है कि कोई इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट या फिर कोई इंटरनेशनल फैकल्टी भी यहाँ आए एंड इफ दे वांट टू कंडक्ट सेशन, क्योंकि हमारा होता है जनरली वेबिनार्स होते हैं. सो लास्ट ईयर वी हैड सम 2 or 3 webinars which were done by some of the international people, means वो कॉर्पोरेट के थे, कुछ फैकल्टीज थी. सो उनका वहां से लेक्चर हुआ था आप लोगों के फॉर योर सीनियर्स. So this is the way. So वहां से भी वो कर रहे हैं, the same thing which is happening, same way you are listening to them. So your system is meant in such a way that you have to follow certain procedures, and after that you will be able to do your entire process in a very easy manner. आप Zoom में आते हो, open करते हो, login करते हो, switch on करते हो, and then you just log in through your ID and the password. कोई ऐसा जिसका method अलग हो of doing it? Any students who follow some other method of entering the Zoom application? No, it's common for all. It's a person who can write the chat in some different way? No, it's common for all. अभी और examples आप देखो कैसे applications आप use करते हो. GPay, PhonePe,
Yes, ma'am.
Paytm is the same way which is followed by each one of us. It's not different for anyone special cases. वो celebrities के लिए भी same है, हमारे लिए भी same है. Systems, applications and softwares are same for each one of us. जितना ज़्यादा आपका system advanced होता है, application जितनी ज़्यादा sophisticated होती है, it has much more complexity behind it. अभी आप देखो, for example, आज से 2 साल पहले की बात है, when we used to tell any ठेला वालास or the maid or anyone who is coming to your place to work, उनको आप बोलो कि हम पेटीएम कर देंगे आपको, we will send you money by GPay or the Paytm. वो लोग पूछते थे सबसे पहली बात ये क्या होता है, okay, what's that? But see the gradual and the drastic change since 1 year. Now maids are also asking money, ma'am GPay कर दो ना Paytm कर दो. The ठेला वालास in my colony say, ma'am Paytm कर दो, we will just send you the products right at your place. So this is the way एकदम मतलब बताओ एकदम कैसे ये transformation हो गया, because वो requirement हो गया. That became the requirement of the society in the scenario in which we are living. Just think of the scenario if this pandemic it would have not been there. Do you think that इतना ज़्यादा penetration हो सकता था इस particular application का in the market or in our society?
मैम इतना फास्ट नहीं होता लेकिन हो जाता है.
हाँ हो जाता, but इतना fast हो सकता.
No, ma'am.
And it is so convenient that anybody can use it. You don't require a BTech degree for it or any technical degree or a post-graduation degree for it to work or to do any type of transaction on those platforms. No, it's just the mindset that we have to change. Okay, it's just the mindset. Okay, simple है, बस इतनी चीजों की requirement है, हमें एक Android phone चाहिए with proper network facility. That's it. We will be able to do it. So this is the way how a proper system can change the entire setup of doing their functions. Okay, अभी आज से 5 साल पहले जब आप लोग maybe अपने school level पे ही होंगे, maybe go back 5 years or 6 years or 7 years, 8 years back, आप लोगों को कहीं कुछ मंगवाना रहता था for food to eat, how you used to do?
Calling the restaurant को call करके.
Yes, directly calling to restaurant. Yes, and the delivery system, how it was done?
उसका ये मतलब एग्जीक्यूटिव ला के देता, मतलब जो रेस्टोरेंट है उसी का. There were no Zomato.
Ma'am, could you please repeat that last part again?
Last part I was asking that 8 years back when you were there in your high schools and all, अभी आप लोगों को कुछ खाना रहता था बाहर का, आज खाना है और घर पे ही खाना है, not going to the restaurant or so you want to eat it at home. How you used to order food?
We used to call up the restaurant and then order the food, and the restaurant person used to send a guy at home. There was no Zomato as such. There was no Swiggy.
No Zomato, no Swiggy.
And ma'am, delivery की भी लिमिट होती थी.
हाँ, delivery की भी बिल अलग से लगती थी. अच्छा, अभी आप बताओ मुझे क्या difference हो गया when you were calling the restaurant directly and now you are doing it, mediating it, your request through Zomato and the Swiggy. Just tell me, आप लोग बताओ. Difference बताओ.
We have a variety of options to select between the restaurants.
Reasonable price.
Reasonable price, and we don't need to communicate with anyone. We just use our phone app to order some food.
Exactly.
We got discount at the same time.
Yes, Rajiv, आपने एकदम you have hit the right thing. All the answers were correct. That you have the options available, multiple options. You can check the reviews. You can try something new. Okay, because there are reviews written over there. The reviews are attached with each and every food, and the different cuisines are there. So there are so many options you can select from out of that, whichever you want to try for the first time also. आप review देखते हैं और बोलते हैं अच्छा ठीक है चलो इस बार ये try कर लेते हैं because this is a good review of it. Then as Rajiv has just said that there you can just see, and there you can see the discounts also, and there you no need to talk to anyone. Everything is made in such a way, real time है सब कुछ. आप सिर्फ ऑर्डर करो, सेलेक्ट करो और प्लेस योर ऑर्डर एंड देन यू आर थ्रू विद इट. अब इनफैक्ट आजकल तो ऐसे ऑनलाइन ट्रैकिंग हो गई है कि हु इज कमिंग, which the name of the distributor, जो भी
Live
बंदा,
tracking.
And we also can track the driver.
Live
Yes.
tracking.
live tracking. And when they reach your gate, आप बोलते हो अच्छा ठीक है पहुंच गया, आ गया खाना हमारा. They give you the exact timeline also कि इतनी देर में आपका फूड डिलीवर हो जाएगा. अभी वही हम रेस्टोरेंट को कॉल करते थे, अच्छा ठीक है अभी बहुत रश है. दिस यूज्ड टू हैपन यार. अभी देखो अभी रश है, हम देखेंगे मिल जाएगा तो ठीक है. Like that, many times our order used to get cancelled also. Why? Because there were so much rush in their restaurant. But now this thing is not happening. They will let you know that also, that your food has been accepted by that restaurant. They are preparing your food and in this timeline you will get it. So these type of system, अब उनका internal system अलग बना हुआ है, उनकी अपनी अलग जो मॉडल बनी हुई है फॉर द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन उस एरिया में. तुमको लगता है कि अभी इफ राइट नाउ इफ आई एम स्टेइंग इन कोलाबा, सो समबडी फ्रॉम, इफ आई वांट टू ऑर्डर एनी फूड व्हिच इज इन माय नियर बाय लोकेलिटी, तो कोई बंदा है जो मुझे अंधेरी से वो बंदा आएगा एंड दे विल कलेक्ट दैट फूड फ्रॉम द रेस्टोरेंट इन कोलाबा एंड देन डिलीवर माय फूड टू माय प्लेस? ऑब्वियसली नो, they will not, because that timeline has to be reduced. तो क्या होता है कि ये पूरी की पूरी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सिस्टम, उनकी पूरी ऑपरेशन शेड्यूलिंग ऐसे बनती है कि दे कीप ऑन. अभी अपने इंटरनल सिस्टम में मॉडल अभी है, Zomato का कभी होगा तो आई विल जस्ट डिस्कस विद यू ऑल द इंटरनल इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम्स ऑफ Zomato. दे कीप ऑन ट्रैकिंग द इंटरनल डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स हु आर मूविंग अराउंड इन दिस एरिया. अब उनका अलग सिस्टम होता है, उनको पता चल जाता है आपको ये फूड पिक करके यहाँ पे पहुंचाना. This is the way. Same model in Ola, Uber.
Yes, ma'am.
देखो क्या है ये सब क्या है, सिस्टम है which we all are using. We all are using, but हमें बस कनेक्ट करके अपना पढ़ना है. अब उसी में हम देखेंगे कि नेटवर्क क्या होता है, सिस्टम क्या होता है, इसमें फर्स्ट लेवल क्या होता है, डेटा कलेक्शन कहाँ हो रही है, इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोसेसिंग कहाँ हो रही है, और दैट विल बी. शॉपिंग जो हम करते हैं, ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग कर रहे हो, आई मीन कॉमर्स भी पढ़ने वाले हैं, ई-कॉमर्स, ऑल दोस things you order and right from that point you start tracking ki track karne ke liye apne products ki kab kahan tumko products milne wale. So this is the way the system has transformed the entire thing of your doing of the business. In fact, you can see that after these types of systems, many of the local stores and the kirana stores and the local retail chains have also started changing their trends. हमारी लोकेलिटी में 2-3 शॉप्स किराना, the big ones, they were not home delivering the products, but right after since 1 year they have created their own WhatsApp group, they have created their own application on Google Play Store. सोच लो वहां से आप डायरेक्टली ऑर्डर करो and they will just deliver your products at your doorstep, because they thought कि we are lagging somewhere behind. Okay, because Amazon तुरंत पैंट्री सर्विस में एंटर हो गया, रिलायंस तुरंत पैंट्री सर्विस में एंट्री हो गया, तो आपको जो लोकल जो डेली बेसिस वाले प्रोडक्ट्स थे वो भी आपको मिलने लगे थे ई-कॉमर्स वेबसाइट्स पे. द बिग जायंट्स लाइक Amazon started providing it. बट ये देखो अभी उनको लगा कि if we are not going to change ourselves then we are going to face losses. उन लोगों ने भी चेंज किया अपने आप को. They have never thought 2 years back that this type of transformation they have to do. So as per the, अभी ये सभी चीजें हम पढ़ेंगे, as per the changing scenario you need to understand that when you have to change. Strategic हम लोग पढ़ेंगे आगे, strategic information system. We need to update our system as per the requirement of the market. जैसा market trend है, जैसा market का culture है, हमें बहुत ही ज़्यादा quickly change करना है. Now this is not a concept that you wait for the year end and then we will plan it and then we will think of okay this type of technology is there in the market and now we need to integrate it in our information in our organizational setup. No, you can't wait for the last moment. जब जैसे जरूरत है तुरंत करना है उसको, हमें रिक्वायरमेंट है. लास्ट ईयर Amazon have thought of, जैसे Zomato का फूड डिलीवरी सिस्टम है, Amazon ने का बिजनेस मॉडल तैयार हो रहा था. There were some news in the market also, and soon they were about to launch this food delivery system, food delivery application like Zomato and Swiggy. But After pandemics, right away they stopped over there and entered the pantry services because लगा कि अभी तो लोग food लेंगे नहीं, खाना और अभी मिल भी नहीं सकता है. So and it will create problem how to just tackle the things क्योंकि उसके लिए भी तो कुछ time चाहिए ना to get yourself established in the market. Immediately they changed. Immediately they switched to pantry. बोला अभी जो जरूरत है लोगों को वो पहुंचा. So आपको हमेशा you have to keep a keen eye. So that is why they are the big giants. आप जितनी जल्दी मूव करोगे एंड जितनी जल्दी यू कैन चेंज योर स्ट्रैटेजी. उनका पूरा सेटअप था टू लॉन्च बट दे स्टॉप्ड एट दैट टाइम. नो दिस विल नॉट क्रिएट प्रॉफिट टू अस. वी हैव टू गिव समथिंग व्हिच इज रियली. अभी देखो पूरे पैंडेमिक में Amazon ने जब कंप्लीट लॉकडाउन था उस टाइम पे भी प्रोडक्ट डिलीवर किया. अभी वही आप सोचो अगर फूड डिलीवरी में रहता तो कर पाता. And they have also bifurcated essential items and non-essential items. See, so this is the way you have to change. अभी देखो उनके सिस्टम ये सब था नहीं लेकिन उनको लाना पड़ा. उनकी आप इसीलिए सिस्टम इंटीग्रेशन ऐसी होती है, सिस्टम डेवलपमेंट ऐसा होता है. SDLC हम करेंगे. As and when required, you can change the setups and the format of your doing the business. Yes, Pratna. Pratna, you have raised hand.
Ma'am, it's always said that necessity is the mother of invention.
Yes, but
That could only happen. Now the thing is, even for Amazon, initially during the lockdown phase, they had to make do with the available resources that they had at hand. So they had a very tremendous supply chain. They had a local reach, and that made it much easier for them to, integrate their model. And kind of change their model to essential supply only. But if in case they were delivering food, it would have been much difficult because food is perishable, it would perish.
yes, and that was not allowed also na, at that point of time. And they thought कि people are not going to just order. उस time पे सोचो ना Zomato and for 2 months they were completely locked down. कहीं भी कुछ भी नहीं deliver हो रहा था. After 2 months from the September, October, especially in Mumbai, कहाँ हो रहा था? So this is the way you need to understand the market properly. Your information system have to be the part of the market. It can't be secluded. That is why अभी बोलते हैं ना कि MBA को managers को why they should understand and have a feel of these types of technology, because you are only going to know that which type of market is going on, and for those problem solving, which type of technology will facilitate you in the smooth functioning of your business. Getting my point, students? So this is the way we will discuss some more examples when we will start the thing. Anything else, students? Now we will, I will just start my topic if you want. So you all have understood the system
Yes, ma'am.
properly.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
सबसे
ma'am.
पहले समझो कि we all are using it. सबसे बात है बस इसी को हमें connect करना है. ठीक है? We all are using on a daily basis all these things. Okay? So what is an information system? So it is a study of complementary networks of hardware, software that people and organization use to collect, filter, process, create and distribute the data. अच्छा, अभी किसी ने बोला था कि what you are using, तो किसी बच्चे ने बोला था लैपटॉप. Okay, very good. Laptop हम सबसे पहले use करेंगे because it is a device, it's a hardware which actually facilitate you to run or to work on any of the software or the applications. Okay, without your hardware, without your device, your software, your all your applications or your systems are of no use. Just think of that if you are having a mobile phone which is not the smartphone, ठीक है, basic सा phone है, आप उसमें कितने काम कर पाओगे system पे, बताओ मुझे. Which is not a smartphone, the basic phone, क्या होगा उसमें?
Only calling and texting.
Only calling and texting, and that texting is also not very simple. You all, अगर आप लोग कभी किए होंगे, because you all are in a new generation, आप लोग तो कभी देखे भी नहीं होंगे बटन वाले, and how to type through those buttons. ठीक है? It's very difficult, very very difficult. इसलिए messaging में पहले बहुत कम होता था. So because typing was really very difficult. So you, for example, they are both complementary to each other. hardware and the software. If you are upgrading your software, you need to upgrade your hardware also. क्यों हम बोलते हैं कि ये कोई भी particular software will run very very good and very smoothly on Android, or you will be having a good RAM in your computer, in your laptops, or it will have which will having a good softwares and hardware backup. On those laptops only you can run this application in a better manner. And especially in our phone में देखो, phone में तो सबसे ज़्यादा innovation होता है. In today's scenario, phone is something which is having the fastest growing innovations happening. ठीक है, अगर किसी चीज में है, किसी प्रोडक्ट में है, तो वो आपके मोबाइल फोन में. So the entire mobile commerce, a new subject completely came all together. कहते हैं ना पहले ई-कॉमर्स होता था, ना आप सोचो मोबाइल कॉमर्स एक नया. अभी देखो, अभी एक रिसर्च हुआ था स्टूडेंट्स, where it was found that more number of products are ordered online through mobile devices compared to your laptops and any other systems. सोच लो, इसीलिए तो कॉन्सेप्ट सारे हैं मोबाइल कॉमर्स. आप भी खुद में भी सोचो, आपने कितने प्रोडक्ट्स in past 1 month you have ordered, which you have ordered from mobile phone or through your laptops or the system or the computer systems that you are having at home. Tell me.
Obviously mobile.
Payments, mobile.
Yeah. Payments are easy to access.
Very good. So because of the mobile commerce concepts only, और जितने भी आपके ये payment gateway applications develop हुए हैं ना, what happens? So this is the way आपको both is vice versa. आप अपने सॉफ्टवेयर अपडेट करने हैं तो आपको अपने मोबाइल्स भी अपडेट करने हैं. उसके जो हार्डवेयर हैं, उनके डिवाइसेस हैं, that also needed to be updated. अभी आप अपने कोई भी iOS यूज कर रहे हो या एंड्रॉइड का कोई भी any versions which you are using, आप देखोगे मंथली या 2 months के बेसिस पे there is an option of updating of your softwares.
Yes.
Yes,
Because the internal hardware system also required softwares to operate those devices. तो दोनों, मैं बात वही कर रही हूँ कि आपको समझ में आ जाना चाहिए कि these are the complementary to each other. आप सॉफ्टवेयर अपडेट करते हो तो हार्डवेयर भी अपडेट करना पड़ेगा. हार्डवेयर अपडेट करते हो तो योर सॉफ्टवेयर also needed to be updated. If more and more, because वो फिर क्या होगा, स्टैकअप होगा, हैंग होगा if it is not updated on a regular basis. आप देखो बैंकिंग इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम का एक और बहुत अच्छा एग्जांपल है बैंकिंग इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम. आप देखोगे यू मस्ट बी हैविंग बैंकिंग एप्स आल्सो इन व्हिच यू आर हैविंग अकाउंट, मे बी बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा, एसबीआई, एचडीएफसी, इन सब के भी एप्लीकेशंस होंगे. आप मुझे बताओ ऑन द मंथली बेसिस और ऑन इन 2 months, ठीक है, आप देखते हो कि उसमें आता है एक ऑप्शन. तो all of you must have received the messages that your system is in the system of this particular bank is in the updation mode for a day. आया है?
yes.
Why it comes?
काफी बार आया.
Why this is happening?
Because they are upgrading their softwares,
And
like for
after
more
this-
security.
Yes, for security, for better services also. If they want to integrate something into your normal processes, उसमें भी इंटीग्रेशन होता रहता है ना. देखते होगे कि पहले क्या होता था, आपको 2 बार ओटीपी डालना पड़ता था. अभी बताओ ओटीपी का लेवल कम हो गया, बट नाउ इट इज मोर सिक्योर्ड. So this is the way how things are changing. Okay, how they are changing, and it is really very important that you understand that why it is changing and how it is facilitating the business as a whole. So आप organization used to collect, अभी हम ये सब देखेंगे कि कहाँ कैसे data collect करता है and then how it gets processed. Then obviously information systems are the combination of your hardware, software, telecommunication networks. अभी मैं आप लोगों के सबके मोबाइल से, ठीक है, डेटा पैक निकाल लेती हूँ. क्या हो जाएगा आपका फोन? नो डेटा, नो नेटवर्क, नो इंटरनेट. In your mobile phones or in your laptops, no network, no internet connection.
Then ma'am,
It's just a camera and a calculator then.
You will not look at your mobile devices.
Useless हो जाएगा पूरा.
You will not look, जब तक कोई कॉल नहीं आएगा तब तक आप पिक नहीं करोगे, otherwise you will not call also. This is the hardcore reality in today's scenario. We all have. It means nothing generalized to your generation or something like that. It's for all of us. You can see in the past 3-4 years how our parents have also changed. अब तो मेरे parents तो और भी ज़्यादा old age हो गए. आप लोग अपने parents में भी changes देख रहे हो. How much they are on to Facebook and Instagram.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हमसे ज़्यादा
Yes.
हो गए वो लोग. So this is the way how the things have turned around. अच्छा एक बात आपको और पता है, कैंडी क्रश का एक रिसर्च हुआ था. कैंडी क्रश गेम you all know ना students?
Yes.
Yes,
Candy
ma'am.
Crush
Yes,
game
ma'am.
is more being played by the older age generation people. It's a hardcore myth जो break हुआ था कि ये जो young लोग होते हैं वो ज्यादा गेम खेलते हैं. And especially ladies.
मेरी मम्मी खेलती थी।
हाँ, अरे तुम्हारी मम्मी तो और छोटी होगी, मेरी मम्मी खेलती है तो सोच लो. It's all 20 years का गैप आ जाए. मेरी मम्मी भी खेलती है.
मैम ऐसा भी बोल सकते हैं ना कि जैसा इंटरनेट चीप हो गया, इस रीजन से ये भी एक मेन फैक्टर है. लेकिन पहले जैसा अगर इंटरनेट होता तो अभी ज्यादा लोग यूज नहीं करते.
लेकिन अभी वही मैं अभी सबसे पहला लाइन क्या बोली, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री. एवरीथिंग इज कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री टू ईच अदर. आपके सॉफ्टवेयर अपग्रेड हुए, डिवाइसेस अपग्रेड हुए, टेलीकम्युनिकेशन नेटवर्क्स आल्सो गेट गॉट अपग्रेडेड. दिस इज द एरा, मतलब ये इस एरा में ये मैं जो सॉफ्टवेयर सेक्टर, those who are sector I'm talking about, the hardware sector, those who are making the devices, okay, and your network sector, those who are providing data packs, telephone, all types of telecommunication networks. This is the most booming network in today's scenario. जो इंटरनेट नहीं भी लेते थे डेली बेसिस पे उनको भी लेना पड़ा. Be it of any class, lower income group, middle income group, high income group, सबको, for everyone. I can see my maid children also, उनको भी एक मोबाइल फोन चाहिए. दीदी इसमें कैसे हम लोग इंटरनेट चलाएं, पूरा आके सीख के, बिकॉज उनके बच्चों को भी पढ़ना है. सो हाउ दे विल स्टडी. जूम कैसे आता है जी, ये गूगल मीट कैसे होता है. देयर आर डिफरेंट मेथड्स ऑफ डूइंग. माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एज का भी एक आया था. सो दिस इज द वे द थिंग्स हैव चेंज्ड. एवरीथिंग इज रिक्वायर्ड इन टुडेज सिनेरियो. अभी उनके पास, जिनके पास पुराने मोबाइल फोन थे, सबने नए लिए. Only that so that children can study. Main purpose ही वही हो गया कि if smartphones नहीं है तो how this child is going to study. So ये सब सारे एक दूसरे के complementary. Okay, so the same is with your telecommunication. आप आज के डेट में आपका कोई काम नहीं होगा if we are not having. अभी सबका इंटरनेट चला जाए, मेरा ही इंटरनेट अभी थोड़ा सा डिस्टर्ब हो रहा था. So class will be cancelled. होगा, बहुत होगा. अभी बॉम्बे में बारिश शुरू हो गई तो. So this is the way, because network ही नहीं प्रॉपर है. How to do it? पहले हमें लगा था कि अर्लियर क्या होता था कि वाटर लॉगिंग हो जाती थी तो कॉलेज बंद हो जाता था. अभी क्या हुआ, लास्ट ईयर हमने 1-2 क्लासेस ऐसे देखे कि बिकॉज देयर वाज ह्यूज रेन एंड द नेटवर्क एक्चुअली गॉट डिस्टर्ब, तो क्लासेस गॉट कैंसिल. दिस वे और दैट वे रेनी डे की छुट्टियां बच्चों को मिल रही है. So this is the way the things have changed. Okay, now information systems are interrelated components working together to collect, process, store and disseminate information to support decision making, coordination, control, analysis and visualization in an organization. Last, just tell me what is, अभी ये सब चीजें आप OB में और डिटेल में पढ़ोगे, बट मेरा कॉन्सेप्ट है बस इतना बताना आप लोगों को, so that I can explain you all the different functionality of an information system. What are management functions? Management functions. आज की क्लास में बता रही हूँ, भूलना नहीं है throughout. Management function क्या होता है? Yes.
Well, management function basically anticipate करना future को, problem identify करना.
Simple functions बताओ ना मुझे. Simple functions क्या क्या होते हैं? Different types of management functions.
Ma'am, planning, organizing.
नहीं बच्चे, यही तो बच्चे मिस्टेक करते हैं. These are
Planning,
the
organizing, decision
no,
making.
no. These are the process functions. Are your marketing, finance, HR, operations, supply chain management, and more is coming. ये सब आपके different departments होते हैं आपके organization में. These are the functions which organizations are doing. Now, what you all said, that is the process, that is the planning, organizing, directing, controlling, which all the functions are implementing and doing it for the smooth functioning of their business. Like for marketing, you plan, direct, control. Obviously, na, आप organize करते हो, आप direct करते हो, controlling is there, distribution is there. So all this thing is happening for all different functions. HR, planning, organizing, directing, controlling. Supply chain, planning, organizing, directing, controlling. Accounting, planning, organizing, directing, and controlling. Finances, financial department, finance department, planning, organizing, directing, and controlling. Manufacturing, planning, organizing, directing, and controlling. Okay, and coordination. Just think of it, all these functions which is happening in the organization to generate the revenue, it facilitates, you applies all these managerial processes for the smooth functioning of the business. समझ में? बहुत बड़े organizations में generally आपकी accounting अलग होती है from your finance department. Why? Because there are too many purchases and it's taking place on a day-to-day basis. Okay, so that is why that is a separate department. In many of the organizations, manufacturing is not aligned, is not in the this one operations department. Operations is only dealing with the distribution and the internal logistics, managing the internal and the external logistics of the organization. But in many of the organizations, it is merged in the same department. Manufacturing is the part of operations only. So it all depends from organization to organization, how huge it is. If it is a hardcore manufacturing setup, then obviously manufacturing is different organization. But if it is not in manufacturing sector, so abhi dekho, for example, just talk of these online websites जो आपको दे रहे हैं, provide करवा रहे हैं, are they manufacturing organizations? Amazon हो गए, Flipkart हो गए, are they manufacturing anything? No. Entire manufacturing का concept ही यहाँ पे खत्म हो गया. What they are doing? Operations, complete logistics management. Product कहाँ से उठाना है, कौन उठाएगा? Okay, reaching out to your right customer at right point of time by providing them right product from the right source. Getting my point, from the right source. हमें ये भी पता रहता है कि हमारा product कहाँ से आ रहा है. So this is the way they are only into operations, handling the complete internal as well as the external logistics. So this way, all the organizations are different, all the information systems are different. अब आप बात कर लो अभी कोई company which is into car manufacturing. Just take the example of Honda, Ford, ये सब सारी companies हो गए. टाटा ले लो. ये अभी ये सब क्या है? ये सब hardcore manufacturing setup. Okay. उनका obviously their operations, their supply chain is going to be different. उनका procurement of raw material is the main task. Internal inventory manage करने के लिए. When they are going to bring in the raw materials, then they will manufacture, and then finally, when their product is manufactured, then they will distribute it to their customers. So all the organizations are different in that ways, in their way of function. अच्छा, एक बात बताओ, banks की बात बताओ. Banks में क्या purchasing हो रही है? Not talking about their internal things, but उनकी अब जब हम बात करते हैं sales and inventory की, banks में क्या हो रहा है? क्या होता है sales inventory उनका?
Different types of
insurance policy, loans
and all.
Exactly, different types of the financial products which they are offering to their customers, services which they are offering to their customers. अब उनके लिए वही चीज होगी. अभी वो कोई प्रोडक्ट तो दिखता नहीं है ना. बैंकिंग आपके फाइनेंशियल प्रोडक्ट्स क्या है, आपको पता है पेज आ जाएगा कि यू हैव परचेज दिस पर्टिकुलर लोन और एनी म्यूचुअल फंड और एनी स्टॉक और समथिंग लाइक दैट. बट इट इज नॉट अ प्रोडक्ट ना, यू कांट सी इट, यू कैन नॉट विजुअलाइज दोस थिंग्स. Okay, so this is the way all the organizations are working different manner. So all the information systems are very much unique in their own way. Okay, इस पे और आगे हम बात करेंगे. Then types of information system. Then is your very important concept is your data, information and knowledge. अभी ये आप देख रहे हो organizational hierarchy है. On each hierarchy, you can see there are the different functions which is taking place on each. आपके अभी देखो जहाँ पे डेटा है इसको जनरली पहले लोअर लेवल ऑफ मैनेजमेंट बोलते थे, बट नाउ सिंस द वे ऑफ कहते हैं ना रिस्पेक्ट दो सबको, तो इसको हम बेस लेवल बोलना शुरू किए। ठीक है, डेटा को अभी ओबी में भी ये सब चीजें आप देखोगे कि इसको जो लोअर लेवल मैनेजमेंट, इट्स नो मोर अ लोअर लेवल मैनेजमेंट, इट्स अ बेस लेवल मैनेजमेंट which brings in all types of data on a regular basis, which is very much structured in nature. For example, इसके पास भी हम एग्जाम्पल डिस्कस करते हैं। डेटा यू आर कलेक्टिंग, अब यहाँ पे HR डिपार्टमेंट भी काम कर रहा है, ओके, HR डिपार्टमेंट भी काम कर रहा है, आपकी सेल्स डिपार्टमेंट भी काम कर रही है, योर फाइनेंशियल डिपार्टमेंट इज ऑल्सो वर्किंग, योर अकाउंटिंग डिपार्टमेंट इज ऑल्सो वर्किंग, योर मार्केटिंग डिपार्टमेंट इज ऑल्सो वर्किंग। अच्छा, अभी आप मुझे बताओ at the base level which structured information data which the organization is collecting from the HR by the HR department. HR department कौन सा डेटा डेली बेसिस पे गैदर करता है?
अटेंडेंस।
ग्रेट, फर्स्ट अटेंडेंस। अभी क्या कोई आता है अटेंडेंस लेने एम्प्लॉइज की? नो, दे जस्ट गेट इनटू देयर ऑफिस, बायोमेट्रिक excuse me, or swipe their cards, yes, get inside the office. हमें पता चल गया कि इस टाइम पे ये particular employee have entered the office. Nobody is there to monitor. Only the system is doing. At the end of the day, the report is being generated that this particular employee has all the employees entry time and their exit time from the organization. ये क्या हुआ? ये data आया. Okay, this is the daily basis data which we have gathered. Okay, for example, some employees are coming to their office on regularly on time. By the end of the month, when I am just getting inside all those data, I just try to find, okay, Rishabh has come late twice or the thrice. Now what I am doing, I am finding out, I am just transforming those collected data into information. Getting my point? I will just try to find out that how long in a month, how many times in a month a particular employee came office late. I will ask for the reason. Maybe HR department तब सारा कुछ करने लगता है कि why you came late. Should I adjust your holidays because you have come late? So something like that. So data आपने daily basis पे collect किया and then you are when transforming. कैसे transform कर रहे हैं? उसको context provide कर रहे हैं. You are contextualizing your data. What do you understand by context? What do you understand by context, student? What is the literal meaning of context?
Any output or result?
No, context. In which context you are telling, means in which reference are you talking?